Hello everybody, and welcome to Joe's Pepper House. I would like to thank Mars Hydro for sending me out this TSL-2000 LED grow light. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and show everybody my thoughts on this. As you guys know, if you've been following me, in here I've been running the Mars Hydro SP250, and in one more week I will be doing a 1-year review on this, on my thoughts and how they grow my plants versus the T5s I've been running for the past couple of years. And this tent is the T5. But what we're going to do today is install this TSL-2000 into this tent here. Alright, so right here you got your user manual. These here are your hangers for your light, which will go in these 4 tabs that are down here. I'll show you that here in a minute. You got your ratchet hangers, so you can easily adjust your light. You also have both your LED drivers and your dimmer control here. We also have the power cable, which plugs in right here. We'll put that in towards the end. You also get some really cool stickers. This is my first time opening this, so we're going to go ahead and get this installed. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can read the user guide if you'd like, but this is common sense here. We'll just start one end and your screw there. You guys can see if you look on your end here, you're going to see you're going to have a spot to plug your cord in. Let's go ahead and install the dimmer. And for the last side. Seems to be easier to remove one of the bolts here, so you can slip this end here in, drive that down, and then set your screw. Alright, the setup is as easy as that. Let's go ahead and plug in this other side. Later on when I hang it up, I'll figure out what I'll do. I'll probably end up zip tying these a little bit tighter for a cleaner look. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at these LED lights. Let's go ahead and get you guys a close-up. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and install these light hangers. What I thought to appear to be these tabs here, this is not where you install these. You install these in these 2 holes right here. Like I said, I did not read the directions on it. Going on the fly, I just opened this box. We'll hang that one there. And we'll hang this one here. Just like that. Go ahead and do the other side. Simple as that. Alright, let's go ahead and get this light installed. Alright, so as everybody can see here, I already ran the electrical cord through the tent. I also have my ratchet hangers installed. So I'm going to go ahead and I have them going right up to the bars of these ultra yield tents. But let's go ahead and take this light down. Gotta be very careful, these things are heavy. Alright, see these here? This is an Algebrite 6-tube T5 fluorescent grow light. Alright, now to hang the Mars Hydro. This thing is really light, and surprisingly this material is pretty thick, this reflective material. Let's go ahead and get this hung up. Just want to clip them onto your hooks. That'll be one side. And this will be the other. Okay. Now the last step is plugging it in. So all you want to do is just take your end here, bring it up, and plug her in. And look at that. Oh wow. It's very nice. I think my plants are going to be happy with this light. Alright, the Mars Hydro TSL-2000 LED grow light is installed. I will straighten up these wires here, these cords, and make them a little bit neater. It's all self-explanatory how it goes together. Here's where I ran my cable straps right up to the metal bars and right down, and you can see they plug in right there. As far as the dimmer option goes, just take this knob and dim it down. Wow, you can dim it like very, very low. Okay, here you can take your switch and turn it completely off if you'd like. And turn it back on. And we'll start turning it up to full power. And there you go. And wow, she is bright. I'm just going to leave it on that setting. Okay. I will give you guys my honest review. I am not getting paid to say anything nice about Mars Hydro. They were nice enough to send it to me, and I was thrilled to be able to receive it to do review videos on this product, or on both of their products, the Mars Hydro SP250 and this TSL-2000. And 1 week from now, I'll be putting a video out on my 1 year review on my thoughts comparing the T5s versus the SP250, and continue with the grow updates with the brand new 2000. Thank you, Mars Hydro Factory, for sending these out. I will put all the links in the description where you can check it out if you like. Like I said, I don't get no kickback out of it. And hey, if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you can receive updated videos on my grow. Thanks and have a great day.